Pawan, one comment is focus on చెప్పావు కదా, focus on the problem అని చెప్పావు కదా. We need to have another view also. We need to have a couple of views. One is to focus and try to identify what is the issue and how are we going to solve. And you should always simultaneously have a bigger view also, so that are we doing everything right or not? Aerial view, go up, eagle's eye, right? When you have that view, sometimes you get an answer for the solution. Because if you go on focusing on the same problem, you miss a lot of other details also. So every time you have a problem, we should have two views. One is bigger view, at the same time one small view. Both are needed. Both are new. That's what I want.
Absolutely.
ప్రవీణ్ మాట్లాడు. ప్రవీణ్ ఆన్ చేసి వెళ్ళిపోయాడా?
లేదక్క, వింటున్నా.
మాట్లాడండి మీరు కూడా.
వింటున్నానక్క, కానీ నాది kind of was listening. Most of my experiences mindless spirituality అంటారు కదా, అట్లా ఉండేది ఇప్పుడు కూడా. గుడ్ or bad, I don't know, but what is that is, I keep thinking about Baba once in a while again, as I said. And work లోకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఈగో తగ్గించుకొని, especially at work, I want to make sure ego is at its lowest. Focus on the work than the positions and where you are at. Plus chala jarugutai during the day, and I usually try not to apply my mind towards Baba did this and Baba did not do this, because the moment I go into an avenue where I say, usually when something good happens, oh Baba gave me this, thank you Baba, and when something really bad happens, that also is Baba, right? So then we cannot blame Baba for that. So in that situation, everything is Baba. So why attribute anything to Baba or not? So everything is going on according to a certain plan that I don't understand, and I don't put my mind towards it. So just keep going with the flow and keep it simple. I think the main point, naakaithe, if someone gives me ఒక శ్లోకం ఇచ్చి ఇట్లా జరుగుతుంది, బాబా డిస్కోర్సెస్ చదివి ఇట్లా జరుగుతుంది అంటే కాంప్లికేట్ అయిపోద్ది నాకు, నా బుర్రకి అసలు సగం అర్థం కాదు. సో కీప్ ఇట్ సింపుల్ అండ్ జస్ట్ కీప్ గోయింగ్ త్రూ ద ఫ్లో. ఐ థింక్ దట్ ఈస్ ఈజియర్ ఫర్ మీ దెన్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో ఎఫర్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ మై సైడ్ స్పెసిఫిక్లీ ఆన్ అ సర్టన్ థింగ్, ఇట్లాగే చేయాలి అలాగే చేయాలి అని. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ నాకు ఒకటి ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ అనిపించింది ఏంటంటే, బాబా యూరిచ్ గారు, ఇది నా మైండ్లో అలా పడిపోయింది. యూరిచ్ గారు, వెన్ ఐ వాజ్ ఇన్ దట్ మండలి హాల్, ఆర్ వాజ్ ఇట్ స్పీచ్ ఐ లిసన్, ఐ క్యాన్ రిమెంబర్. అది యూరిచ్ గారు అయితే చెప్పారు, హీ సెడ్ ద ప్యూరెస్ట్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ లవ్ is love towards your mother. That is the purest form. And but he loves his mother, so he doesn't go guy my and all the time, right? So adi ayana chepte naka correct kada. So that is, if you love, it is there, why do you have to do this, Sanjay? I'm not against anything or for anything. That was very interesting concept, which kind of aligned with what I comfortably alignment with na thinking ki. Then I said, okay, then this is good. If you love Baba so much, that example kind of fit that bill. So in general, I think if you ask me, how do I lead life spiritually, ante that's a very tough question. నాకు అసలు అయ్యో స్పిరిచువాలిటీ ఉందా, ఎక్కడుంది ఎత్తుక్కోవాలన్నమాట నేను. అంటే in its sense, but definitely one thing I will try my best is go to work and and keep it as low as possible every day. That is a constant effort. Pawan చెప్పినట్టు smaller yourself, at the same time do not you know make yourself small, but your ego should be small. Um, that's pretty much it. And backbiting antava, I do backbiting, but interesting backbiting I do. దానికి ఒక వెరైటీ backbiting ఉంది. Um, so typically I only జోక్లు వేస్తా కదా, నేను జోక్ వేస్తా. జోక్లు వేసినప్పుడు even if the person is not there, I joke on that person. But only if I have love for that person, I do that. Okay. But if I do not have the love for the person, I will not even say anything. Okay. That's obvious in friend circles too. కొంతమంది మీద నేను just joke కూడా అయినా, and I don't even go think that way. So కొంతమంది మీద joke వేస్తా because I only, that kind of tells that I am very close to them. I love them. I have the freedom to do that. Adi, that's how I do this. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba. Beautiful, Praveen. Do
బాగుంది నాన్న, అందరూ చెప్పింది నా బాగుంది.
చెప్పు, నువ్వు చెప్పు. వాట్ యు హర్డ్, యువర్ ఒపీనియన్, నాట్ ఒపీనియన్, వాట్ బాబా సెడ్.
వాట్ బాబా సెడ్ నాకు తెలియదు మరి వర్క్ ప్లేస్ లో ఏం చేయమన్నారో కానీ, మరి వర్క్ ప్లేస్ లో స్పిరిచువాలిటీ అని అంటే, నేను మరి మీరు బాసులు కాబట్టి మరి మీకు వేరే ఛాలెంజ్లు ఉంటాయేమో. నేను ప్రోగ్రామర్ని కాబట్టి నేను చాలా టైము ఇప్పుడు వేరే ప్రోగ్రామర్స్ వీళ్ళు ఉన్నారనుకోండి, వాళ్ళకి హెల్ప్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాను. ఎవరైనా నన్ను క్యూఏ వాళ్ళు కానీ ఎవరైనా కానీ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ద వే హెల్ప్ చేయమన్నా కూడా చేస్తాను. కొంతమంది హెల్ప్ అడుగుతున్నప్పుడు కొంతమంది ఆపర్చునిటీ, హెల్ప్ ఈజీగా వస్తుంది కదా అనేసి వాళ్ళు ట్రై చేయకుండా అడుగుతారు. అయినా కూడా నేను ఏమి ఇచ్చేయను, వాళ్ళకి హెల్ప్ చేస్తాను. సో నాకు అంటే కెనడా వచ్చిన దగ్గర నుండి అదే ఇది ఫాలో అవుతా ఉన్నాను. సో నాకు ఎప్పుడు అందరూ మంచిగా ఎప్పుడు వర్క్ ఎన్వైరన్మెంట్ లో అందరూ నాకు ఎప్పుడు హెల్ప్ఫుల్ గా ఉన్నారని అనిపిస్తా ఉండేది. సో ఇప్పుడు దాకా ఒక 4-5 ప్లేసెస్ లో పనిచేశాను. వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు అల్లా అందరూ ఐ ఫెల్ట్ ఐ గాట్ మోర్ హెల్ప్ ఫ్రమ్ దెమ్, బట్ వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు అందరూ అనేవారు సిద్ధార్థ ఈస్ వెరీ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అని అనేవారు. So I used to feel very happy that that I was able to create a positive vibe for everyone. ఎందుకంటే పొద్దున్న ఎవరైనా డైరెక్ట్ గా క్వెరీతో మెసేజ్ చేసిన అడిగినా కూడా వాళ్ళకి ప్లెజెంట్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ చెప్తాను. బికాస్ మై ఇంటెన్షన్ ఈస్ దట్ దే షుడ్ బి గుడ్. కొంతమంది పొద్దున్నే ట్రబుల్ తో మెసేజ్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు, వీఆర్ ఇన్ ఏ ట్రబుల్ అని. Then I give them assurance that we can solve this together, don't worry అని చెప్తాను. So work environment, and because most of the time we are at work, right? So I not only try to help them with their problems, but even if కొంతమంది పర్సనల్ ఇవి కూడా చెప్తారు. I mean I feel happy because ఈ కోవిడ్ టైంలో we don't see faces కదా, ఓన్లీ వి టాక్ ఓవర్ మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ టీమ్స్ తో మాట్లాడటం ఇవన్నీ చేస్తాము. సమ్ పీపుల్ టెల్ దేర్ ద ఇష్యూస్ దట్ దే హ్యావ్, అండ్ ఐ ఫీల్ దట్ ఐ ఫీల్ హ్యాపీ దట్ దే ఆర్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ నా మీద పెట్టుకొని దే నో దట్ సంథింగ్ ప్లెజెంట్ వుడ్ కమ్. సో అట్లాగా ఐ వుడ్ ఆల్వేస్ బి హెల్ప్ఫుల్ టు దెమ్. I had some tough ఏమంటారు మేనేజ్మెంట్ వాళ్ళు ఉండేవారు, బట్ ఆ టఫ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ వాళ్ళు కూడా ఓవర్ ఏ పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్ దే చేంజ్, దే వుడ్ బి నైస్ టు మీ. సో ఐ థింక్ I think that way my main this thing is always to help people around me, especially workplace lo. That's what I think. But ఇంట్లో of course ఇప్పుడు work from home కాబట్టి you don't do much with society కానీ this is the social life that I have with my colleagues and this is what I implement. ఇంకా బ్యాక్ బైటింగ్ అంటారా, దట్స్ ఎ డిఫరెంట్ టాపిక్. లైక్ ఆ టాపిక్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఐ విల్ టాక్ అబౌట్. దట్ ఈస్ మై దిస్ థింగ్. లైక్ I feel happy working because these are the reasons. Like I feel happy. Yeah.
Very beautiful, Sidhu. I think you are applying all the Baba principles.
Baba said adapt whatever situation.
Very well spoken, Sidhu. Very nice, Sidhu. Jai Baba.
Very good. Jai Baba. Sidhu, Jai Baba. Very nice.
Helping others certainly helps. Very good, very good. Next ever Mani cheptam.
Yes. Jai Baba. It's a very nice topic, and from all the conversations that I heard so far, we don't have to be aware or it's my opinion, conscious about over about spirituality. I'm following it daily or not, but over the age it comes by itself, I feel. So for example, what Sidhu was saying, day to day helping others around with positive mind, that is the spirituality. Like Geetaka, Manav Seva, Madhav Seva, helping others, everybody around, Meher, Amrut, and giving clothes, all that is also spirituality. Being positive, doing your duty sincerely and wholeheartedly, like how Praveen, Kiran, Pavan are saying, that is spirituality. In my case, for example, if you take, sometimes I feel why we get the, usually we are at a level, if you accomplish something, our ego, without knowing, it goes up, So with some problems, it comes down because it gives you, it checks you down and it gives you a perspective on looking towards the spiritual path or looking towards spirituality. In our case, with my surgeries, heart surgery, back surgery, now the COVID, I think you calm down quite a bit with, how you take things, your reaction to others. If somebody is trying to hurt you or trying to say mean things to you, whatever, kind of attitude you get over time, so I feel this is more with age and more with, of course, all this, how much God gives us a chance to be spiritual, I guess, when you are all talking, I remember the story about Kunti Devi asking Sri Krishna, her nephew, what do you want, Atta? When they asked, she said, usually human beings, when you have problems, you remember and chant God more than when you are happy. So she asked for a boon, give me problems all the time so that I'll remember you constantly and wholeheartedly. So that could be another way that you maintain spirituality, but I'm not saying ask for problems, but that is the example I remembered. Or in some cases, when you come across people that, in day-to-day life that are troublesome or, like Trump kind of people, think of what, Krishna would have done, what Baba would have done, or what Jesus would have done. There's a saying, what would Jesus do in this situation, right? So think of it and then approach that maybe the spiritual way in day-to-day life. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba. Geeta?
Chepta. Adi, as we are reading Baba, the spiritual literature, అదేంటంటే ఎనీ సిచ్యువేషన్ సడన్లీ కమ్స్ అండ్ గివ్స్ గైడెన్స్. అంటే మనం నేను ఒక్కొక్కసారి రోడ్డు మీద వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు ఏదో అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది, కీప్ థింకింగ్ బాబా కదా, ఏదో ఫిల్మ్ స్టార్ బాబా అమ్మ ఉంటుంది, ఏంటి బాబా బొమ్మ పెట్టారు ఇక్కడ అని ఓ పాట ఉంది తెలుసా అన్నమాట, ఎంత మాత్రమున ఎవరు తలచిన అంత మాత్రమే నీవు మాత్రం వాట్ ఎవర్ యు థింక్ యు ఆర్, Okay, we are constantly absorbing that spiritual bent of mind తో చూస్తాం. Suppose somebody is little aggressive గా ఉన్నా, కోపం తెచ్చుకున్నా, we calm down, try to make him see the point. అది ఇక్కడ రిచ్ గారు ఒకటి చెప్పారనమాట. ఒక బాబా ఎవరు అన్నారు, అంతా బాబా చూసుకుంటారంటే బాబా ఈ రిచ్ గారు టోల్డ్, I have left it to Baba. He said, make your effort, do your best as if you were doing it for him, and then leave it out to all Baba. Iris narrated the following story to further help us understand that effort and intentions were necessary before we could leave it to the divine will or resign to the divine will. There was an owner of a restaurant who was once chatting with his friend. The owner was seated behind the cash register and his friend was standing by his side. They were chatting when a beggar appeared, begging for alms. The owner did not give anything to the beggar, and the beggar left empty-handed. The owner turned to his friend and said, it was divine will. That beggar did not receive any money from me. Divine will prevented me from giving him any alms. The friend disagreed, but the owner persisted. Divine will is all powerful and could have found ways of inspiring me to carry out the act of giving alms through a noble thought of piety or just plain generous thought. But as I was not inspired by any of these thoughts, I look at it as divine will that the beggar did not receive any alms from me. The friend replied, you did not feel inspired because you had no intention to give. Also, there was no effort on your part to give alms. You did not even make an attempt to open your cash drawer to give. It was lack of effort and not divine will that the beggar did not receive alms. The friend continued, if you had opened the cash drawer and tried to reach for the money with the intention of giving, and at that moment, if you were to get a paralytic stroke, which paralyzes your hand and prevents you from giving it, then it would be divine will. But the intention and effort were genuinely there. Rich concluded, that is how it is. We have to make a genuine effort with the intent of solving the problem, doing as if we were doing it for Baba, and leave the results to him. And Erich cautioned him, do not leave the effort part to Baba. That is just fooling yourself, because your heart wants results from Baba without making the effort. In fact, it is the other way around. Make the effort and leave the results to Baba. Okay, this is our effort. Whatever he taught us, we have, when any situation comes, what Baba taught us, that comes into your mind like a guidance sort of thing. Okay, I am sitting at home, housewife. You people have to face a lot of things in the offices. And according to what Baba's how to love God that comes, and also Baba helps you when you are remembering him doing the work. He will help you. He'll give you the guidance. He changes the whole situation. If we completely depending on his will and remembering him doing the work. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba Gita. Bagundi. So, go next. Applying spirituality in everyday life.
This is the same as the previous one, right?
Same thing.
Same thing, yeah. This is my opinion. We have to apply divine qualities. Divine qualities apply cheyatam vallana we get advantage kada. It's a little, you need a lot of patience to develop that, but whatever you do, you reap the fruits. So what Baba said was 3 qualities that you have to display all the time. One is you have to be enthusiastic. So when the people see you, they should form trust. Okay, this guy can help me. He is very enthusiastic. He is very helpful. That is one thing. Second thing is cheerfulness. Oh, he's very friendly. Adot anamata. Cheerful ga hello cheppatam, good morning cheppatam. Siddharth cheppinattu. These are all play a major role in developing that trust on matter. Whoever it is, doesn't matter whether he is a janitor or whether it is a big boss. Just give a little smile and say, hey, good morning, hello, how are you? Small things like that, small things like that. Equipoise. Equipoise and test being sthita pragna, being very stable on matter. I am stable. I'm not going to move for any of these things on matter. These are the three qualities Baba says that we have to constantly exhibit that will help grow in spiritual world and matter. About the equipoise, I think most of you know about what is that called, IQ and EQ. People with high IQ, they are only successful by 16.5%. People who have EQ, they are 97% successful. See, what is EQ is people who are emotionally control their feelings while interacting with the people on matter. That is the thing that we have to develop. That comes with the sthita pragna state. That is what Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita. Show love. Show love. Show love to everybody. What are you going to lose? Nothing, kada. Irrespective of the other person's character, how he is, he may be a very bad man, but don't let those sanskaras get influence our opinion. Mohan Joshi marchukotam, idi adava, and manaslo anukotam. Everybody is God. We are God. Everyone is God. So we have to see the God and we have to love them. So if we show love, this plays a major role in how the people treat you. You are working, we think we are going and we're getting salary and I can pay my mortgage, food and all those things. But actually we are going to gain positive experiences. That is the whole purpose of going to work and money comes automatically. But how we do this work, that is what we have to do. And if we do it in the right way, we clear sanskaras. I mean, just like many of you said, offer everything to Baba, you are the one who is doing. Ani office kaltam, panchetam, wholeheartedly panchetam. And then after the work, Baba, you are the one who did it. Thank you, Baba, for this opportunity. Humility, not showing ego, showing love, cheerfulness, sthita pragna, these are all the divine qualities. When we have divine qualities, we are walking in the right direction. Do it, we should always do it with the good ethic. That ethic is very, very important. So we have to love what we are doing. Again, I'm reiterating. This is how I apply my spirituality at work or at home. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
I have a question in this topic. I can ask.
Yeah, sure.
Let me give an example, and then I'm very keen to hear everybody's views on this. In this thing, let me give the example first. Let's take Donald Trump, and Donald Trump is the president of US, and he's got a what do you call that?
Impeachment.
Cabinet secretary, like a minister. What do you call those people? Pompeo and all those people. They are cabinet
Secretary of State.
Secretary of State, Secretary of Education. So let us take example of Secretary of State. Secretary of State is working with this President Donald Trump. Okay, and let us just make an assumption. The Secretary of State is a good man, wants to do something good for America. Okay. Kani, on a day-to-day basis, as he's working with his boss, who is Donald Trump, there is a regular, his values are getting compromised. Okay. What he thinks is the right thing to do for the country and for his job, from his job as his role is constantly getting compromised because of his boss, Donald Trump in this case. So in this scenario, and if we apply it to spirituality in everyday life, what is the right thing to do is a thought in my mind, a confusion in my mind. Is it one, I will follow my values, and I don't think my values can be aligned to Donald Trump. So rather than try to continue to fight this battle, let me exit and do something else, because this is a never-ending fight, and I'm not going to, succeed. Okay, that's one scenario number one. Decision number one. Decision number two is to be accepting of Donald Trump, to accept that Donald Trump is also Baba's child only, or God's child. Okay, and I'm going to apply Sthita Prajna. I'm going to be, that equanimity of mind and poise. I'll retain that poise. But I'm on a daily basis continuing to be challenged on the values and what I think is right and wrong. And I'm forced to compromise at times on what to do, what is the right thing to do for the country, okay, which is my job. Now, if you take this as an example from a spirituality perspective in everyday life, how should this Secretary of State respond or deal with the situation is my question.
Very good, Pawan. I think you made the question very clear. Let us be a little careful about bringing the political personalities, because everybody has an opinion and they have an aside. But let's see what people say. Okay, all right. Kiran, go ahead.
Just to give us an example, Mike, because it's a relevant topic, but it's nothing to do with Donald Trump or the Secretary of State, just as an example.
Yeah. Okay,
Kiran, go ahead.
Good question, Pawan. I think without bringing politics in, if you just take a reflection on our own mythology, history, lessons, whatever, right? So if you take Mahabharata, and you take, everybody's got a weakness in the characters of Mahabharata, correct? Now, if you look at, take Bhishma Pitama, right? He played a certain role that he did out of duty, that he, in so doing, that he suppressed probably some thoughts and some pushes or drivers that he felt that came from pure values, correct? And I think we face that in our lives all the time. There's right and wrong. There's, nothing as dramatic as what we see now or what is demonstrated in the Mahabharata. But I think it's really, that is the dilemma. So at the end of the day is which side do you choose to stand on? Because each of them will have a consequence. Each of those choices will have a consequence. And I think each individual chooses the bigger consequence to help balance their decision. It also depends on which side of the coin you happen to fall on. Where were you born? If you happen to fall on one side of the fence, then you have to. We don't all come into the world neutral, right? We all come into the world on a certain side or at a certain position, not out of our choice. So I think that also plays into the picture, without getting into the politics of specifics of Trump. Anyway, just an opinion. So I think a lot of the people who are on Trump's side acted out of duty. I'm not talking about all the politician fellows, but all the cabinet types, right? And they held their noses and they went along in the name of duty for as long as they could, and as long as they believed.
Yeah. Right.
Very good, Kiran. Very good. Okay. Now, Sidhu, what do you think?
మనకి బాస్ తో we always have disagreements with our bosses కదా. So values are different from principles. ఇప్పుడు నేను ప్రోగ్రామర్ని కాబట్టి నాకు ఐ హ్యావ్ ఏ క్వాలిటీ ఆఫ్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్. ఓకే, అండ్ ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాసినప్పుడు there will be a style of programming which should be error free, which should be highly efficient. ఇలాంటివి కొన్ని parameters. So I have to follow them. ఇప్పుడు మా
బ్రేకింగ్ వాయిస్ బ్రేకింగ్ రా. సిద్ధు not able to hear.
వినపడుతుందా?
ఇప్పుడు బాగా వినపడుతుంది.
సో బాసెస్ తో అందరికి మనకి ఏదో ఒక ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటుంది కదా, అంటే there will be a conflict of what we think and what they expect. All these things will be there. So I think values are different from principles. ఇప్పుడు నేను యాజ్ ఎ ప్రోగ్రామర్, as I was mentioning, there will be a quality of code that you have to write, a good quality of code. దాంట్లో మంచి ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఉండాలి. All these things will be there, which will take a little time. Which will take a little time అని అంటే the boss will be expecting in half an hour, but it may take a quality program will take 45 minutes to write. So boss can have his own values, his own principles, but values are different from principles. Principles don't change. Principles are
బ్రేకింగ్ వాయిస్ బ్రేకింగ్.
అత్త ఏమో మన ఇంటర్నెట్ బాగాలేదు మొత్తం నాది.
ఇప్పుడు వినపడుతుంది.
So principles are different from values, right? Principles, they don't change. So when dealing with my boss, I always deal with principles, and I don't deviate from my principles to make my boss happy. But my boss will surely learn to live with my principles, because they are principles. They are not values. They are principles. If he's not happy and he wants to kick me out, I will allow him to kick me out. And I'm sure that I will find another job which may not be ade price rapochu gani, but it will be good enough to sustain or survive my family. So because I have that confidence in my principles and my abilities, I will never anannu, but most of the time I never deviate from my principles to keep anyone happy, because they are principles. Principles don't need to keep you happy also. Some of the times my program may be wrong, so when my boss corrects me, I accept it, because నేను అనుకుంది it was not right, so I learn from it. So but if I believe that something is right, I will remain strong on it. And if I have to lose my job, it's not the end of the world. I'll tell him. I had a recent fight with my architect. I very firmly told him, I don't but I very firmly told him that he has to listen to others, which I ultimately accepted. But the thing, I don't think we must deviate from our principles, and we should not take justification ఉండకూడదు. అమ్మో నాకు ఇంత మార్గేజ్ ఉంది, అమ్మో నాకు ఉద్యోగం పోతే ఇంకో ఉద్యోగం రాదు, అమ్మో all this అమ్మో are wrong. We have to be strong on our principles. I think that will make us happy at the end of the day.
Jai Baba Sidhu, tell me why are you saying principles are different from values? What are principles and what are values in your opinion?
See, a gang of thieves may have a value that whatever they rob should be equally be distributed among them. Okay, that's a value. But what is a principle? Robbing itself is wrong, is a principle. There's a difference between a value and a principle. Values are something which are socially accepted. What are socially accepted need not be correct. Principles, they are always correct.
I think they both are same. Value
No,
is
they
a
are
value.
not.
Principle is a
No,
principle.
value is a group of people who conceive that it is correct. చూడండి,
అంటే
LGBT
principal
right,
example
LGBT
ఏం
is
చెప్పావు?
wrong in Saudi Arabia. That is their value. Principle, everyone should live together, is a principle.
Hmm. Okay. So what do everybody think about principle and value difference, whatever
Values
Sidhu
are
is saying?
more powerful, right? But selfless service is a value. Selflessness. Simple service.
Okay, don't worry about. Okay, Nenu,
Slight
I
marginal.
think the main topic here is not the difference between principles and values. Okay, sir, ఎప్పుడు నా grammar ప్రకారం principle definition ఇవి తీసుకోండి. But I think I was answering Pawan's question.
Okay. Think about it, Sidhu. I think, in my opinion, principles and values, they are both are same. It is not what people think that constitute value, but it is what is given in the spiritual books. That is the value. That is what you follow. They both are same అనిపిస్తుంది నాకు. But
Principles అంటే rules, Ravi. Certain rules
No, no.
are prescribed. They have to
No, no.
follow.
Don't
Values
worry
are-
about the difference between values and principles. Okay, let us not worry
We
the
are
difference
learning
between
something.
values and
sir,
principles.
we'll
Something
postpone
new
that.
Nenu, I will accept your definition of values and principles. I am only telling how, how I deal with, my bosses or my trumps in my workplace.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Praveen?
How do I deal with the Pawan చెప్పిందానిక? Truly believe that every day it's a lot of give and take. Okay? Not everything that I want will happen, and not everything that others will want will happen too. It's like always, it's a bargain, right? That's my experience. And sometimes what I say is right, and sometimes what my boss will say is right. I have to learn from it also. Sometimes I could be really wrong, and a lot of introspection happens every time, right? Ego will tell me I'm right. But sometimes everyone stands in a different platform. Yeah? I truly believe that because when everyone has a different perspective to life and things and how to address anything, my boss could come to me with a different perspective that I would never even fathom. I don't even know what that perspective is. His perspective could be completely right, right? So I give that leeway a little bit. I adjust and work, but at the same time, I keep asking myself, and I say this to everyone that I know at work too, is you have to go to work happy in general, right? Every day, if a person wakes up and is not happy with what they're doing, that's when, I think you should look for a different job. But in general, I think if I'm every day, and sometimes you'll have hard times at your work. So sometimes a couple of days you would not like going to work. But in general, if you look back, they should enjoy what they're doing. And in that case it applies in the same case of the Secretary of State or whoever, they have a larger job to do. Whatever Trump says, sometimes, Pompeo has to do it, if he likes it or not. But in general, I think he needs to be happy with what he is doing because he would affect a lot of people's life. That's my take.
Jai Baba. Praveen. Gita, వెళ్తావా?
ఇది ఇక్కడ ట్రంప్ మినిస్టర్ అన్నారు కదా, ట్రంప్ ఈజ్ హైయర్ అథారిటీ, దిస్ మినిస్టర్ హ్యాస్ టు లిజన్. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే పాలిటీషియన్ దే హ్యావ్ ఆల్వేస్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్, ఓకే, అండ్ దే వాంటెడ్ టు టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ దేర్ పొజిషన్, దే డోంట్ వాంట్ టు లూజ్ దేర్ పవర్. కదా. అక్కడ what I feel, Baba, according to the spiritual point of view, Kamsudu and Hiranyakaspudu and the other, what is this fellow, Ramayana, that villain, what is his name? Rama killed? Ravanasura. These are all actually negative characters. Baba said, even though they are negative characters, Baba, they in Navasari, when he goes there, lot of people, hi, Baba, hi, Baba. And one day he used to get angry. Why they're humiliating Baba? Baba used to ask them to keep quiet. He said opposition is very important in the universal work from the spiritual point of view. Here, Trump and his subordinate is an eccentric fellow. Whatever he has to listen. Suppose if he has, Sidhu said, principles and values, that fellow has to resign his job because he's not able to do in a న్యాయంగా చేయడానికి వెళ్ళటం లేదు. వాడు పిచ్చివాళ్ళ బిహేవ్ చేస్తున్నాడు. నాకు పవర్ కావాలి అన్న సెల్ఫిష్ ఇది ఉంటే అన్నిటికీ అడ్జస్ట్ అయిపోయి ఓకే బాస్ అని చేస్తూ ఉంటాడు. నీకు వాల్యూస్ అన్నావు చూడు, స్పిరిచువల్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ, మై కాన్షియస్ ఈస్ బ్రేకింగ్, ఐ షుడ్ నాట్ స్టే హియర్, లెట్ మీ రిజైన్ ద జాబ్ అని అనుకున్నాడంటే హీ విల్ రిజైన్ ద జాబ్. అండ్ మీరు మీ బాసెస్తో సమ్ టైమ్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు అడ్జస్ట్. బాబా సెడ్ ఆల్వేస్ యూజ్ యువర్ నాక్ ఇన్ డీలింగ్ విత్ ఎనీథింగ్. ఓకే, when the boss is losing his temperament, you don't lose. In a convincing way, you tell your point of view, this is what I wanted to do. Convince cheyadaniki chustavu kada. That is like that adopting. Baba said, wherever you are, adapt to the situation. Give in. Auntie always, Baba always used to say, give in అని. కానీ ఆల్వేస్ గివ్ ఇన్ అంటే మీ జాబ్స్ లో అవ్వదు కదా. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు హస్బెండ్ అండ్ వైఫ్ ఏదో ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్, ఓకే గివ్ ఇన్, ఓకే యువర్ పాయింట్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్, అయిపోతుంది. యు ఆర్ నాట్ లూజింగ్ ఎనీథింగ్. బట్ ఇన్ ఆఫీసెస్ అండ్ బిగ్ డెసిషన్స్ వెన్ యూ టేక్, యూ ఆల్వేస్ యూజ్ యువర్ ధైర్యం, బ్రేవ్గా. Don't be timid. Use your knack, put across the point, convince your boss. This is the good way of doing it. What do you say? Okay, అలాగా ఇద్దరు మధ్య తీవ్రంగా ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్ అవుతున్నాయి. ఒక టోన్ తగ్గించేసామనుకో, the other person also tone comes down and they will see the point, others point of view. That is, నేను ఇంట్లో కూర్చొని ఇవన్నీ మాట్లాడగలను. మీరు when you are dealing with different type of people, అందరికీ ఆ స్పిరిచువల్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ దే మే నాట్ థింక్. ఓకే, సో మెనీ పీపుల్ పవన్ వచ్చినప్పుడు విల్ డిస్కస్. కొంతమందికి ఆల్వేస్ థింక్ ఆఫ్ అబౌట్ నేనే బాగుండాలి అనుకోకండి, నేను బాగుండాలి, అదర్స్ బాగుండాలని ఈ బాబా లిటరేచర్ లో వస్తుంది. సమ్ పీపుల్ నేనే అట్ ఎనీ కాస్ట్ ఐ పుష్ దెమ్ అవే అండ్ ఐ కమ్ అప్ అనుకునే వాళ్ళతో డీల్ చేయడం. మీకు డిఫరెంట్ personalities, so you have to deal, use your knack. And I think of in my experience, when we think of God, Baba or God, the whole situation will change and your perspective also will change. You don't get hurt, the other person shows anger. This is my limited knowledge. Jai Baba.
Yeah, I agree with you, Artha. You're right. ఏంటంటే the boss or anyone working with you will have a different opinion. We may feel it is right. Either we convince them with reasoning, with love, with reasoning, to to tell our point. Kontamandi they will be adamant, even if they are wrong, they are adamant. Such people have problem with their behavior, and it is worth not trying to convince or spend more time, because it is what they are. We are not the tappan kadu. It is their way of this thing. I think we should move away from them. But first we have to make an attempt to make them.
Sidhu, you have to work with him. No, you can't go
Correct.
away from it.
ఇప్పుడు
You
అవునక్క,
have to work
ఇప్పుడు చూడండి.
everybody with that person.
కరెక్ట్. సో మనం జాయిన్ అవుతాం, we have to work with him కదా. So we know that something is right. So we have to convince. We have to use our knack to convince him kada. How do we convince him? With reasoning. Avunartha?
Yes.
So if our reasoning, logic, everything is correct, but the other one does not accept, then you know that there is a problem with him kada. And if this continues every day, every minute, every hour of your work, this thing, then there is no point in being there. Avunartha?
Yes. 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 Others
I
చెప్పండి.
change job every 1 year. I change 5 jobs in 5 years. I'm now changing another job.
Good points. Good points. Anybody else wants to say anything?
Ravi will wind up in another 5 minutes, Ravi.
Yeah. So
ఇంకా 5 minutes.
let me tell my opinion.
Summarize, Ravi, summarize చేయి. Your opinion, you tell.
Ravi, tell his opinion.
Yeah, let me tell my opinion and then we'll close. Okay?
Yeah.
See, dealing with difficult bosses is a challenge. It's a big challenge. Okay? But whereas if you apply some spiritual values, it becomes very easy. It's a matter of how much you are applying the spiritual values. Okay? The first value is we are in this illusion to have good knowledge about the picture about our whole God speaks information. What is that we are going through? Our consciousness needs to know the God state. That is our original state, right? So initially, when our consciousness needs to learn what is it to be a human being. So we go through different phases of every life. A woman, poor, rich, all these states. And once we reach the awareness, once we gain the knowledge through experience, then our job is to undo, because finally we have to undo all the things we have learned. So for that, our mind has to be flexible. That is very, very important. Otherwise, we get stuck in our own plane. That is the problem with everybody in the either in our plane, human beings, or in higher plane people. They get stuck because they are not ready to change. So only when you practice to mend your mind, then only you will get that ability to change. That is very important for us to know how to easily change to adapt to a different situation. That is what we need to practice. Because jada, mana mind on chusawa, is a jada. Jada means it wants to be on the same place where it wants to be. It's a challenge. Nothing is easy, right? It's a challenge, but we have to hold. If the other person is very important, try to understand what they want. Okay? Especially bosses are very important relatives, our own spouse, something like that. And love is the best way to understand the people. So long as you don't love, you hate him, the distance will be more. Whereas if you love him, you will understand. We have to be flexible to change to their way, change into what they like, get what he or she wants. They love it. If they tell you something, if you just do it and provide the result, they'll be very happy. Don't talk back. People who are silently do the work, they love, right? We all love those people who silently, if you tell them something, they do the work and come back without any talking back. They love it. So this is another thing we have to practice. It's an ego thing, why you want to talk back? Because our ego is hurt. So, but we need that flexibility. We need that humility. How do we learn humility? By only practicing. That's what we get. If you are ready, help with cheerfulness, with a feeling that I am with you. A confidence develop cheyalannamata a boss-ki. I am with you, I agree with you. Because all these principles and all these values we are talking about, they only apply to us. We cannot expect other people also should have the same thing. It's very important, expectation. But with love, that expectation will go down. These are some of the points I want to bring in.
Very good, Ravi. Excellent.
Yeah. So with this, we will.
Very good session. I'm very happy today. Session.
Yeah. So with this, my money chepta
No, I'm fine.
Yeah. So shall we conclude? It's 10:30.
Yeah.
Shall we conclude?
Yes,
Next
yes.
week, next week, ఎవరు చేస్తున్నారు?
సిద్ధు నువ్వు చేయరా సిద్ధు? సిద్ధునా చెప్పా
అత్త కిరణ్ ఇస్తున్నాడు కదా సైన్స్ అండ్ స్పిరిచువాలిటీ మీద.
కిరణ్
కాదు, నేను బ్యాకప్ గా వాలంటీర్ చేశాను. మెయిన్ హూస్ ద మెయిన్ హూస్ ఆన్ ద లిస్ట్?
ప్రభాకర్ మై వద్దులే.
మీరే నువ్వే కిరణ్.
ప్రభాకర్ మై has interest.
Okay.
Let's not force him.
Sidhu,
We will
you
find
agree,
somebody.
Sidhu, you agree?
అత్త ఇంకో 2-3 వీక్స్ అత్త.
I'm there behind.
కొద్దిగా
I'm there behind you.
Okay, that's fine. I will give it.
ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలి అత్త.
I'll give no worries. I just was joking.
That's okay. Karan, if you want time, take it. I can give on some topic. I'll prepare.
Okay. ఇలా చేద్దాంలే ఇలా.
Oh, another thing I
But,
want to tell is the following week is Amartidi Day, 31st.
Ravi.
So everyone, let us prepare something about what does it mean to you about Baba giving up his physical body. Please read and contribute. We'll have an open session like this.
Yes. నేను పాట పాడతాను. I will prepare one song and sing that day.
Very good, very good. So let's all prepare something about his leaving the body.
Yes.
And contribute, and we'll have an open discussion just like this. Okay?
Write the points, Ravi. In the group log, points write. What are the points? Okay? Jai Baba. Very nice. Jai Baba. Andarki Sidhu, Praveen, Kiran.
Prayer cheppu, Gita. Last prayer cheppu. Gita, last prayer cheppu.
Beloved God,